Hey, what's up guys? Reese here from Audular.com, bringing you another sample pack review. Today we're going to be checking out Dark Melodic Techno Volume 1. It's a fresh release from Producer Loops. It's a pretty decent pack. I'm not a techno producer and I think it's pretty cool. I like the sounds a lot. And let's just hop into it. Let's try and get this shorter. So, as usual, we're going to hop into the pack first, and then we're going to check out this demo. The first part of the demo is normally just made of the pack sounds and whatnot, and then I go off and make my own production using the pack. So you get to see what you can do with it. Anything I added myself is in pink, and anything that's like standard with the pack is in yellow. So let's hop into the pack. Listen to some sounds. Nice. A lot of loops. I guess they go right to the essentials, just loops and one-shots in this. Have some kicks. Oh my gosh. That's pretty neat. Cool FX, cool one-shots, cool loops. I just wish they would have given you more substance. I mean there is substance clearly, but I mean I feel like every loop, it all falls under the same style. I wish they added more, variations, more like different melodies. You know what I mean? But I mean, it still is pretty cool. And, as I show in the demo here, I actually create my own melody. So, I mean, get creative, That's going to take forever to play out. There we go. Sweet. Holy crap, have some kicks. Neat. That's nice. Key and tempo are labeled, which is pretty nice. It's groovy. Nice. Sweet. That's it for the pack. That's, I don't know. I really like that, but at the same time, I wish they added more one-shots, too, and more variation with the loops. But, I mean, there's endless creativity you can do with this. You'll see it in the demo. We'll play it now. Let's check it out. Nice. I might be biased here, but I think my lead was a little bit better than that. These loops here. Overall, I would give this pack a decent rating. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. You know, I think Producer Loops could have done a little bit better, but I think people could use this pack and get a lot out of it at the same time. It's a really neat, like, how do I say this? It's like a really niche pack. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.